how to say yes and no the Philippine way. Good job. Clap for yourself. If you grew up in a family where it's taught to give answers verbally, this will drive you wonko. It's gonna drive you crazy because they do this even when they know you are not looking and you are not facing each other and you can't see each other. They still do this. If the answer is yes, here's what they do. But this is also a yes. Or it'll be a combination of the two. So the eyebrows, or a combination. Now if the answer is no, they will do something like this, even when you can't see them. So it's a combination of crinkling this area here. Your bottom lip protrudes, like... Yeah, you get the idea. Alright, well thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, be sure to give it a thumbs up, be sure to give it a rumble, and of course share any of our content. It is greatly appreciated. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye! Oh yeah, and if you come up for a name for the bear, let us know in the comments below. Bye!